Kid, old SilverBullet, Tennessee, Mobile, waving at you in the Carolina Kid, Sparkplug.
Hey, SilverBullet, Charlie Brown. Hey, SilverBullet, Charlie Brown. Hello, SilverBullet around the 10 if you got a copy. And all this hash and trash. Charlie Brown around the Outer Banks of North Carolina, waving at you, waving and stepping. SilverBullet, Charlie Brown got down.
Hey, Charlie Brown, JackHammer. Hey, Charlie Brown, old JackHammer in Tennessee with the golden. Charlie Brown, I'm back out. All up in my motor. Hello, golden.
Yeah, hello, JackHammer. Hey, JackHammer, you jumped way up in my receive. You sure did, big brother. Hey, JackHammer, you sounding good around the Outer Banks of the Carolinas. JackHammer in the 10, Charlie Brown waving at you, getting on down.
Got on down, Mr. Charlie Brown, take care. You sounding good on this end, no doubt about it. Charlie Brown, JackHammer, Smoky Hill, keep the smell.
Turn on you, JackHammer. I want to key back down to let you know I got it all. Hey, JackHammer in the 10, have yourself a good evening, my friend. JackHammer in the Smoky Hills, your CB28 good time gang partner. Charlie Brown in the Carolinas, waving and getting on down. Bye, 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 bye.
You go right there, Carolina Kid, Sparkplug, got down. 211 in the horn, waving ahead, Charlie, 211, brother.
Yeah, hello, 211 around the horn. I hear you in the Carolinas, man. Hey, Mr. 211 in the horn, Charlie Brown in the Carolinas, waving right back.
Wave right back, too. Hey, Charlie Brown.
Turn around, you 211. Well, you take it easy, take care around the horn, man. It's rough and tough up here around these Carolinas. That old SilverBullet and that worldwide mobile up there around Tennessee is dropping that hammer as well. Hello, 211 in the horn. Hello, SilverBullet in Tennessee. Charlie Brown around the Outer Banks of North Carolina, getting on down.
Hey, Charlie Brown, I got you about 35 dBs up in Tennessee. Hello, Charlie. Charlie Brown,
Tim Roger on the 35 dBs, man. I better cut this mess down before I get in trouble. Hey, SilverBullet, I better cut this mess down before I get in trouble. Hey, SilverBullet, it's always a pleasure with a double measure to put the spoke on you, my friend. Hello, SilverBullet around Tennessee. Your CB28 good time gang partner around these Outer Banks of North Carolina, getting on down.
come on down, put it on your own, Charlie. What a good day out there in Charlie, Tennessee. Getting on down. 185, did I want to be on that? Gave 185 to the Grand Ole Opry, got down.
Hello, 185 around the Grand Ole Opry, man. It's about time for me to get back out there to Tennessee and see my home, ain't no doubt about it. Hello, 185 in Nashville. Hello, Sparkplug around Ashland City. Charlie Brown on the Outer Banks of North Carolina, saying hello to my CB28 good time gang friends. Charlie Brown, Carolina's rolling on.
Everybody says pretty loud up there. Bye, Charlie Brown. Hey, Charlie Brown, have a good day out there. Hey, Charlie Brown. Party's here, 315 in Carolina. I heard 327, I believe I got this number right. From Memphis, Tennessee. From Memphis, Tennessee. 185, 185, 185, 185, at 5, Charlie Brown, 185 in this station.
Terry, are you 185? Well, while you getting down, I'm getting right back up, because I got it all, ain't no doubt about it. Hey, 185 around the Grand Ole Opry in Nashville, Tennessee. Charlie Brown on these Outer Banks saying, I hope you're having a good day, and I can't wait to talk to you again. 185 Grand Ole Opry, your CB28 Good Time Gang partner, Charlie Brown, around these Outer Banks, is getting on down.
Charlie Brown, hey Charlie Brown, out there, hey Charlie Brown, old Sparkplug, see, getting on down, that around the cotton field.
Yeah, hello Sparkplug, my friend. Always good to put it on you. I hope everything is well and swell around Ashland City, Tennessee. A Sparkplug in the 10, peace and grace around your place. Charlie Brown around these Outer Banks is waving at you and getting on down.
No doubt about it. Around Ashland, Tennessee, no doubt about it. Hey, Charlie Brown, I just want to let you know you got about 40 good bills. Where are you going? Hey, 143. Hey, Charlie Brown, like a traffic jam around Tennessee. Good evening out there around D.S. Good evening, SilverBullet.
Turn around, you Sparkplug. Well, I'm going to turn it up just a little bit and put it on you one more time before I wrap this video gate up. A Sparkplug in the 10. I'm glad everything is well and swell around Ashland City, Tennessee. A Sparkplug, your CB28 Good Time Gang partner, Charlie Brown in these Outer Banks of North Carolina. I'm getting on down.
And I got it. Hey, Charlie Brown. I got it all. Big brother. That time
Charlie Brown, old DuckHunter, said, I want to get on.
Charlie Brown, I hope you had a good one.
Hello, Charlie Brown, out there around the east side. Old DuckHunter around Louisiana, waving that evening wave.
Bye, Sparkplug. Bye. Good evening to you, DuckHunter. Hey, DuckHunter, you making it around these Outer Banks in fine style, big brother. Sounding a whole bunch of good in my neighborhood. Hey, DuckHunter, Charlie Brown waving 4-1 from these Outer Banks. Let's go.
Yeah, Roger and that, Charlie Brown. You got a hammer down in Louisiana, man. It's kind of rough. Kind of rough on my old ear down here right now, but you coming up on top of the duck luck and miss, no doubt about it. I've been listening to your little talk show there for a while, and you got it going on right now. Hey, Charlie Brown, I'm not going to stick and stay. I just wanted to wave a friendly five at you there. Break.
come for 200.
Turn on you, DuckHunter. Well, ain't no doubt about it, man. Mother Nature must be on our side, because you put me over there about 60 dB strong. Ain't no doubt about it. Hey, DuckHunter, I appreciate the bump down, and it's always a pleasure with a double measure to put it on you down there in the bayou. Mr. DuckHunter, Charlie Brown on 20 foot of pipe and a $70 ground plane around these Outer Banks of North Carolina. Waving at you. Hey, DuckHunter, I'm waving one more time. I'll see you. Bye.
Boy, hey, Roger on the 20 foot of pipe. What's going on, man? I got some RF. I'm going to have to see why this RF is getting in here, Charlie Brown. I'll get back with you.
You at Tennessee, it's 500.
All right, DuckHunter. While you getting into standby mode, I'm going to wrap this gate up. Hey, DuckHunter, take it easy, take care till we put it on you again. Your CB28 Good Time Gang friend around these Outer Banks. DuckHunter, Charlie Brown is getting on down.
Bye now. See you trying to wait. Who is that reading the mail? Who is that reading the mail?